where the node to be deleted is a leaf, that it has no children. Now see, if children, we have such a binary search tree and the node that we wish to delete has no children, तब तो कोई problem ही नहीं है. Look into the example. For example, they have shown here 16 is the node to be deleted. Now try to imagine if I remove 16, there is no problem at all in the BST. Only the left pointer of the parent, that is 20, needs to be grounded. That's it. At present, the left pointer of 20 is pointing to 16. But after 16 gets deleted, the left pointer of 20 needs to be grounded. So if the node to be deleted, as in this example, which is 16, has no children, then deletion is the easiest possible case. Now look at the right hand side of the picture. 20 has no children. The link between 20 and 16 has been broken now, and we will free the space in our program using the delete operator. Okay, the node to be deleted, because this is dynamic implementation. Dynamic allocation is done using new operator and deallocation is done using delete operator. So this is very clear. Now look into the second case. Second case is when the node to be deleted has one child. This case is also not complicated. Now you can imagine here, look into the picture. See, suppose 20 is the node this time which needs to be deleted and not 16, mind it. 20 needs to be deleted. And 20 has only one child, whether that child could be the left child also or it could be the right child also. So 20 has one child which is 16. Now if we delete the node 20 in between, 16 still exists in the BST, but 16 has no parent. So this is going to violate the properties of BST. In a BST, every node has a parent except the root node. So what do we need to do is 20 का जो parent होगा, for example 15, उसका child हम बना देंगे which is the only child. Okay, so the only child of the node to be deleted moves one level up. It moves one level up and takes the place of its parent. Look into the right hand side of the picture. You can see 20 ka, we will free the space. So this goes out of the BST, and 15 ka right child, jo ki pehle 20 tha, now it has become 16. So deletion, when the node to be deleted has a single child, is also very simple. I hope, children, this much is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The third case of deletion is when the node has both children or it has two children. In a binary search tree, binary word means at most two. So the maximum number of children that any node can have is 2, because we are talking of binary trees. Right? So if the node has both children, then there are two ways, two methods. One is deletion by merging and one is deletion by copying. Now, why is deletion when there are both children complicated? It is complicated because if we say that one of the child goes one level up and takes the place of the parent, so which of the two children are going to do this? The left child or the right child, because both the children are existing, correct? So which child is going to go up and take the place of the parent? This is one issue. The other issue is that when the node gets deleted, which has both children existing, then what happens? Two subtrees which are rooted at the children of the node that is deleted become parentless. Okay, so that is the issue. There are many issues involved in deletion when the node has both children. That is why we have to, handle the case very meticulously and carefully. So the first thing is deletion by merging. Deletion by merging, the name itself is telling you the meaning. See, suppose I have a subtree like this. This is the subtree and I have a node 55 here. And the node to be deleted is 55. So when I delete the node 55 from here, there are two subtrees that I am left with. One is the subtree which is rooted at the left child of 55 and the other subtree rooted at the right child of 55. Now the name itself is telling you the meaning, deletion by merging. What do? We merge the two subtrees that we get after deletion. After we delete 55, there are two subtrees that become parentless. ठीक है? और जो 55 का parent है, suppose कर लो इधर 50 है, जो 55 का parent है, which is 50. Okay, now we can only attach one subtree to the right side of 50. Because when 55 gets deleted, the right pointer of 50 is vacant. सिर्फ एक ही जगह है वहां सबट्री लगाने के लिए, ठीक है? अब हमारे पास सबट्रीज तो दो हैं, so what are we going to do? If we merge these two subtrees in some way and form a single subtree out of it, then we can attach that subtree, that single subtree, as on the right pointer of the parent, that is the 50. Is this much clear, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are doing, we have got two subtrees. We cannot attach both subtrees to 50 because according to the definition of the term binary, 50 can have only at most two children. One child, say 30 is already existing. 50 को हमने delete कर दिया, तो only right pointer of 50 is there. Correct? So we merge the two subtrees and form a single subtree and attach it to the right pointer of 50. But now the question arises is that how do we merge these two subtrees? We cannot merge these two subtrees randomly because there are certain properties that the BST has to follow. What are these properties? These properties are greater than equal to the node, we have to follow the right branch. Less than the node, we have to follow the left branch. तो हम ये दोनों subtrees को randomly merge करके 50 का right child नहीं बना सकते. We have to follow a certain set of rules. And that is where this technique, deletion by merging, comes into the picture. ठीक है? I'll show you an example and then explain you the technique. This technique is best explained with an example. See, look at figure 6.31, children. These are the two examples of deletion by merging. Okay, look at the A part of the picture, and the node to be deleted here, as they have written, is node number 15. That is, root is to be deleted, right? So when we delete the root, if suppose we delete the root, we are left with two subtrees. One is the subtree rooted at 10 and other is the subtree rooted at 13. And we have to merge these two subtrees. Correct? Now, what are we going to do? See, one possibility is that, we move towards the left subtree. This is the left subtree of 15. We move towards the left subtree and then travel right till we reach null. Okay. So when we go to the left subtree, अब left subtree में क्या होएगा? Left subtree will consist of all elements which are less than 15 according to the properties of BST. As you can see, 10, 5, 11, 12, all these are less than 15 because BST ऐसे randomly तो बनता नहीं है. We have to follow two set of rules. So all elements in the left subtree are less than 15. अब उन सारे elements जो 15 से छोटे हैं, उनमें से if we find out the greatest element, that is 12. So out of all these elements, 10, 5, 11, 12, greatest कौन सा है? 12. ठीक है? Now all the elements in the right subtree of 15, that is 30, 20, 40. Obviously वो 15 से बड़े हैं क्योंकि वो right subtree में है. So if they are greater than 15, for sure they will be greater than 12 also, because 12 is an element which is coming out of the left subtree. तो देखने में अब इतना समझ आ रहा है that if we make 12 as the parent of, the right subtree, our problem will be solved. So what have we done, children? Simply we have found the greatest element in the left subtree of the node to be deleted. Here the node to be deleted is 15 and the greatest element in the left subtree of 15 is 12. So we have found 12. Now what are we going to do? 12 के right में हम attach कर देंगे right subtree of 15. So look at the right side of the picture, children. See, 15 has got deleted. 10, 5, 11, 12. इधर है 10, 5, 11, 12. दिस इज अवर लेफ्ट सबट्री. सबसे पहले आप लेफ्ट सबट्री लिखेंगे, फिर जो उसमें हमने ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट ढूंढा है लेफ्ट सबट्री में विच इज 12, उसका हम राइट साइड पे अटैच कर देंगे हमारा जो राइट सबट्री था, ये वाला 30, 20, 40. 30, 20, 40. ठीक है. Now why will this technique work? This technique will work because the right subtree of 15 has all elements which are greater than 15. So if they are all elements which are greater than 15, then obviously they all will also be greater than any element that we pick up from the left subtree of 15. But left subtree of 15 में हमें ऐसा element ढूंढना है जिससे रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स लेफ्ट सबट्री के छोटे हों. तो हमें क्या ढूंढना है? लेफ्ट सबट्री में सबसे बड़ा ढूंढना है. एंड ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द राइट सबट्री शुड बी ग्रेटर देन दैट. सो यू सी, सिंपली इन सिंपल वर्ड्स इफ आई स्पीक, व्हाट आई हैव डन, I have found the greatest element in the left subtree and I have attached the right subtree of 15 towards on the right pointer of the element, that is 12 element. Is it clear, children? Is this much clear? Then we can take up more examples. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
take the B part of the example. This is a different tree. 15, 10, 30, 20, 40. Either difference है. देखो 5, 4 and 7. So the tree is slightly different, slightly same. Here also the node to be deleted is 15. So what are we going to do? If 15 is the node to be deleted, we will find out the largest element in the left subtree. Which will be the largest element in the left subtree? Yes?
10.
10.
10.
ठीक है. तो क्या करेंगे? 10 के राइट पे हम जो 15 का राइट सबट्री है उसको अटैच कर देंगे. सिंपली look at the right side of the picture, children. The answer you can see 10 के राइट पे हमने राइट सबट्री जो था वो अटैच कर दिया. एवरीथिंग एल्स रिमेन्स द सेम.
Yes, ma'am. Recording.
Oh,
Ma'am.
please, any one of you, not necessarily the CR, anyone who remembers, remind me in the beginning of the lecture only if I tend to forget, okay? Because sometimes if someone is absent, they ask me for recording and then I do not have that. Okay, now let us take a small example. I'll take up 2-3 examples more, children, for deletion by copying. Yes, look at this example. Okay, so now suppose the node to be deleted is 20. This is the node to be deleted. ठीक है, जो नोड डिलीट करना होता है आप उसका लेफ्ट सबट्री मार्क करो और आप उसका राइट सबट्री मार्क करो. इसका राइट सबट्री तो नल है, एम्प्टी है. ठीक है. नाउ इफ 20, अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट इन द लेफ्ट सबट्री. द ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट इज 19. ओके. नाउ in fact ये तो डिलीशन बाय मर्जिंग का एग्जांपल भी नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट ए करेक्ट एग्जांपल बिकॉज द नोड टू बी डिलीटेड 20 हैज only one child 17, उसका other child missing है. So we have to the node to be deleted, हमें कुछ और लेना पड़ेगा which has both children, because deletion by copying and deletion by merging apply only when both children are existing. So if 15 is the node to be deleted, I have to mark the left subtree, I have to mark the right subtree. Now, if 15 gets deleted, next step is I have to find out the largest element in the left subtree, which is 4 here. Because there is only one element, वही largest होगा. Now, largest element की right side पे I have to fit the right subtree of 15. So my resultant tree becomes, this is my 4, right पे 4 के I have to fit 20, 17 and then 19. ठीक है, 15 gets deleted. Now let us take some more examples of some trees where we can show you deletion by merging. Deletion by merging and copying will be applicable, children, only when both the children are existing. If there is no child of the node to be deleted, then case 1 applies. And if there is a single child, case 2 applies. Case 3 applies only when both children are existing. Now here also, suppose the node to be deleted is 20. So if I have to delete the node 20, I have to mark its left and right subtree. In the left subtree, I have to find out the largest element. Here there is only one single element, 16. वही largest होगा, वही smallest होगा. 16 के right पे I have to fit the right subtree of 20. So my resultant tree becomes 15, 4, 1. Then here what will happen? 20 तो delete हो गया, ठीक है? तो 16 will take its place and then 16 के right पे 25. You observe here, children, in deletion by merging, the BST properties are preserved. BST properties, how? See, 15 के right subtree में जो भी है वो उससे greater होगा. 16, that is correct. 16 से बड़ा 25, 15 से बड़ा 4, इसीलिए left किया, 4 से छोटा 1, that is why on the left. So whenever we perform deletion by merging, the BST properties are preserved. Now another thing that we have to keep in mind is that I have told you the procedure, and the procedure is mark the left and right subtrees of the node to be deleted, and then in the left subtree find out the largest element and fit the right subtree onto the right branch of that largest element. But is it also possible in the vice versa manner? Meaning, हम left subtree में largest ना find out करके हम right subtree में smallest find out कर लें. Try to understand, listen carefully. After marking the left and the right subtree, I mark the smallest element in the right subtree and fit the left subtree into the left branch of that smallest element that I found. What it means is, let us take up an example. Now I'm doing the vice versa of that. See, suppose I have the same tree here. I'm drawing it again. I have 15 here, 10, then 5, then 4, then 7 here, 30, 20, 40. Okay, the node to be deleted is 15. So what do? I mark the left subtree and the right subtree of 15. 15 gets deleted. Now, instead of finding the largest in the left subtree, this time I will find out the smallest in the right subtree. Smallest element in the right subtree is 20. अब जो left subtree है 15 का, उसको मैं 20 की left branch में mark कर दूंगी. So what does my answer becomes? Answer becomes as 30, 20, 40, and I told you 20 की left branch में I have to fit the left subtree. So this answer is also correct. And as you can see, children, जो ऊपर वाला मेरा आंसर है और जो ये नीचे वाला आंसर है, दोनों में trees same है. In both cases, I have deleted the node 15, but the answers are different. The answers are different, but still both the resultant trees are absolutely correct. दोनों BST property को satisfy कर रहे हैं. Okay, both answers are correct. If you look at the property of BST in both the answers, both are correct. So children, the crux of the story is that there are two ways for doing deletion deletion by merging. फर्स्ट वन जो आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में गिवन है कि लेफ्ट सब ट्री में यू फाइंड आउट द लार्जेस्ट एंड यू फिट द राइट सब ट्री on the right branch of that largest element, जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया. सेकेंड मेथड क्या है, जो भी मैंने एग्जांपल ड्रॉ करा है उसमें ध्यान से देखिए. मार्क बोथ लेफ्ट एंड राइट सब ट्री, लेकिन राइट सब ट्री में इस बारी लार्जेस्ट न ढूंढ के स्मॉलेस्ट ढूंढना है और उस स्मॉलेस्ट की लेफ्ट ब्रांच पे लेफ्ट सब ट्री को फिट करना है. ओके, यू कैन फॉलो एनी ऑफ द मेथड्स इन द एग्जाम. You will get full marks, but please mention what are you following. आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में और यूनिवर्सली सारी टेक्स्ट बुक्स में फर्स्ट ऑप्शन फॉलोड है that you find out the largest in the left subtree and fit the right subtree there. Okay, but your textbook also says and introduces the other method. That is also correct, and both the methods are nothing, just complementary of each other. Right? So now I'll show you what is being written in your textbook regarding this. See, okay. Now they say that find in the left subtree the node with the greatest key. ये हमारा first method था. And make it the parent of the right subtree symmetrically. Symmetrically means they're just complementary of each other. Symmetrically आप दूसरा method भी कर सकते हैं. You can find the lowest key in the right subtree and make it the parent of the left subtree. So they have introduced you to both methods, but in the examples they have followed the first method. Okay, children? Both the methods are correct. You have to just mention in the exam what are you using. And to avoid confusion, I would recommend that you follow the first method. Okay, uniformly follow the first method. Now then they tell you, how do you find out the greatest element in the left subtree? क्या तरीका होता है, ये भी मैंने आपको बताया है. ठीक है, आप पहले इट कैन बी लोकेटेड बाय मूविंग विद दिस सबट्री. पहले आप एक स्टेप लेफ्ट जाके लेफ्ट सबट्री पे पहुंच गए. ओके, स्टार्ट ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम द node to be deleted towards left. So if you take one left step towards the left along the left pointer of the node to be deleted, you reach its left subtree, and then you have to find out the greatest. BST की आपको प्रॉपर्टी पता है कि ग्रेटर वाले सारे राइट साइड पे होते हैं, तो आप राइट चलते जाइए. जहां पर राइट खत्म होगा, that is going to be the greatest element. Clear? Then after that, they have also shown deletion by merging by a kind of a block diagram, as you can see in figure 6.8. This diagram is also very simple. See, suppose that this is a part, this bigger triangle is a part of the entire tree. मेरा पूरा tree ये है, which is given to me, and this bigger triangle is one part of that BST. Here we have the root obviously at the top, and the node here, this node is the node to be deleted, which they have marked. ठीक है, इस node का obviously left subtree भी होगा, which is this, and this is the right subtree of the node to be deleted. Okay, now what are we going to do? How do we find out the greatest in the left subtree? Take one step towards left, then travel right. अब ये जो है इन्होंने मार्क करा है राइट मोस्ट नोड ऑफ द लेफ्ट सबट्री. जब हम इस नोड पे आ जाएंगे, it is not possible to travel more towards right, as you can make out from the picture. तो इस नोड पे where they have marked the arrow, इस नोड पे राइट पॉइंटर पे हम फिट करेंगे राइट सबट्री. Now if you look at the resulting picture towards the right hand side, children, ये bigger triangle intact है. उसी तरीके से इधर node to be deleted था, तो लेफ्ट सबट्री क्या हो गया, जिसमें दो ट्रायंगल्स थे लेफ्ट सबट्री में. LHS में देखिए लेफ्ट सबट्री में दो ट्रायंगल्स थे, एक मीडियम साइज का ट्रायंगल और एक स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल. वो दोनों ट्रायंगल्स हमने इधर दोनों राइट हैंड साइड पे फिट कर दिए, राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द पिक्चर में. और जो ग्रेटेस्ट नोड था जो एरो से मार्क था, उधर हमने राइट सब ट्री को फिट कर दिया है. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव डन इन द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ. Is it clear, girls? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so I hope
Yes,
at
ma'am.
least इतनी टेक्निक तो सबको clear है. Now coming to deletion by merging. Look at the member function. They have used templates, children. Deletion by merging. BST node asterisk ampersand node. So they have passed one node and this is the pointer to the node to be deleted. जिस node को हमें delete करना है. They have not passed the pointer to the root this time. Now this is the opening of the function body. BST node t asterisk temp equal to node. So we have made another pointer of type with the name temp, which points where node pointer is pointing. जो हमने पास किया है. Node कहाँ point कर रहा है? It is pointing to the node to be deleted. Now, if node is not equal to 0, what is meant by if node is not equal to 0? That is, node is not grounded. It is pointing to some valid node, isn't it? Obviously, सबसे पहले तो हमें यही check करना पड़ेगा ना, that the pointer which is pointing to the node to be deleted, वो किसी valid node को point करना चाहिए ना, तभी तो हम उस node को delete कर सकते हैं. अगर pointer मेरा grounded है, वो किसी को point ही नहीं कर रहा, तो what node will I delete? So that is why ये जो if statement है, we have to check if node is not equal to null. Then this is the opening of the if block. तभी हम सारा check करेंगे. ठीक है? अब deletion में we have to take care about the children, as we will see. If not node arrow right. What is meant by if not node arrow right? It means that the node has no right child. It has no right child. Why? Because you see, if I do not put this exclamation, if I just write if node arrow right, what does this means? This means if node arrow right is not equal to null. This you know from your knowledge of C++, correct? So if node arrow right not equal to null, पर अगर इधर मैं एक exclamation डाल दूं, right? तो इधर भी एक इसका रिवर्स हो जाएगा. This means because of not equal to, this will become equal to equal to. So if node arrow right equal to null means that the right child is not existing. So if the node to be deleted has no right child, meaning the picture is something like this. Say I have 50 here, I have 25 here, I have 15 here, and I have 27 here. Clear? So node to be deleted is 50 and it has no right child. Then what do we have to do? Our case 2 will apply na. If there is only one child, तो क्या होगा? Simply 15 delete हो जाएगा and 25 will move 25 and the associated subtree will move above and take its place. तो क्या होगा? You see, if there is no right child, then node will point to node arrow left. Node will point to node arrow left. Clear? Let's see what happens ahead. अभी आगे समझ आएगा. Else if node arrow left equal to 0, meaning the node has no left child also. If the node has, ये else if है, sorry, if नहीं है, else if. So my control will come here only when the above if is false. So if the node has no left child, then obviously its right child is attached to its parent. So node equal to node arrow right. Else meaning there are both children and we have to perform deletion by merging. Then in that case, temp pointer will point to node arrow left. अब deletion by merging में हमें क्या करना है? We have to move one step left towards the left subtree and then right. Correct? So temp equal to node arrow left. Node is pointing to the node to be deleted. तो node arrow left से क्या होएगा? See, node pointer will be pointing to the node to be deleted, which is 15. So node arrow left So temp is equal to node arrow left. So temp will start pointing to 25. Now after that, while temp arrow right not equal to 0. तो अब आप देखिए temp arrow right, ठीक है, टेम्प एरो राइट 25 का राइट वो नल है, तो जब तक वो नल नहीं होगा व्हाइल लूप की कंडीशन है, हम राइट 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 मूव करते जाएंगे. एंड व्हेन दिस व्हाइल लूप टर्मिनेट्स, it is guaranteed that my temp will be pointing to the greatest element of the left subtree. ठीक है. So now when this loop terminates, in fact इस loop body में सिर्फ एक ही single statement है, the body has not been made. So temp arrow right, I will take up a small example, children, to demonstrate this while loop and associated things to you. Okay, so suppose we have 50 here, 55, then 57, 53. I have to keep BST properties in mind while drawing BST, not randomly. Suppose I have 25 here, 27, 29, then 26 and 15. Okay, suppose the node to be deleted is 25. This is my node. Now look into the algorithm. It says that temp is equal to node arrow left, the first statement. ठीक है? Sorry, not, let us take the node to be deleted as 50, the root node. This is the node to be deleted. So my statement says, children, in the algorithm, temp equal to node arrow left. So temp will start pointing where node arrow left is pointing, that is to 25. Uske baad you see in the algorithm while loop is starting. While temp arrow right not equal to null. Temp arrow right क्या है? इस time 27 को point कर रहा है. Because temp is pointing to 25 and temp arrow right is 27. It is not null, the condition is true. So I go to the while loop body which has a single statement, temp equal to temp arrow right. So this link will break up and temp will start pointing where temp arrow right is pointing. ठीक है? Again, testing of the while loop condition, temp arrow right should not be equal to null. That is true, it is pointing to 29. I enter the loop body, temp equal to temp arrow right. So this link will again break up and temp will start pointing where temp arrow right is pointing, that is to 29. Again, testing of the while loop condition, while temp arrow right not equal to 0. So temp arrow right, 29 ka right, it is not equal to, it is equal to 0. 29 ka right child is not existing. So what will happen? This loop will break up and my control will come to the statement that is immediately after the loop body, which says temp arrow right is equal to node arrow right. Okay, so now temp arrow right, temp ka right kya hai? 29 ka right. This will point where node arrow right is pointing. Node is pointing to 50. तो ये है मेरा node arrow right पूरा right subtree. So right subtree will be fitted here. और यही हम चाहते थे. This is what we wanted to do. Okay. After that, temp is equal to node. Temp will point where node is pointing. अब temp का सारा purpose fulfill हो गया. So temp is a temporary pointer. This link will break up and temp will start pointing where node is pointing. After that, node equal to node arrow left. Node will start pointing where node arrow left is pointing. So this link will break up. Node arrow left is 25. So it will start pointing here. ठीक है? And then this is the closing of the if block. After that, delete temp. Temp is pointing to 50 at present. So 50 will get deleted. Is it clear? And node kahan point kar raha hai? To the new root of the merged subtree, which is 25. I hope, children, the dry running is clear to everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, deletion by merging is very important. In fact, deletion by copying is also equally important. Deletion by merging में एग्जाम में आपको एग्जाम्पल आ सकता है, उस पे आपको deletion by merging परफॉर्म करनी है. बहुत इजी है. Mark the left and the right subtrees of the node to be deleted. Left subtree में largest element ढूंढिए. How do you find out the largest element in the left subtree? take one step towards towards left of the node to be deleted. So you reach the left subtree of the node to be deleted, then right. Okay, fit the right subtree of the node to be deleted towards the right of this largest element that you found in step 1, and that's it. Implementation जो है, programming part जो है, this will be used in the lab implementation. Theory में तो आपको technique आनी चाहिए, correct? Then they discuss certain concepts, children, more related to deletion by merging. That also I will show you the concepts. 1 second. See, look into this diagram again, children, figure 6.31. They say that the height of a tree can be extended, that is increased, or it can be reduced after deletion by merging. So deletion by merging में both possibilities could be there. Either after deletion by merging, the height of my tree could increase or it could decrease. Now look at the A part of the picture. Here, after deletion by merging, the height of the tree has increased, obviously. A part of the picture में अगर आप LHS और RHS देखेंगे, the height has been extended. It is a more longer, deeper tree in the A part. If you look at the B part of the example, the original tree was having, a greater height as compared to the resultant. So in B part of the picture, the height has reduced. Clear? Let us see more concepts. If anything extra is given, I'll take up that also. Children, ये सब जो है, ये वही आपको function जो है implementation वो explain किया हुआ है. वो मैंने आपको function या algorithm पूरा detail में explain करा है along with dry running. So no need to read that part. Okay. Then after that, yes. In the last paragraph, they have written the algorithm for deletion by merging may result in increasing the height of the tree. In some cases, अभी decrease भी हो सकती है, आगे दिखाएंगे वो. They have written may result. This word may is very important. May result in increasing means it is not necessary that it will always be increased. It could decrease also, as they have shown both examples. That is why they use the word may. In some cases, the new tree may become highly unbalanced, as in figure 6.31a. Sometimes the height may be reduced also, as in 6.31b. This algorithm is not necessarily inefficient, but is certainly far from perfect. Now, children, deletion by merging is not it is an efficient algorithm, but it is not a very perfect algorithm. We need an algorithm that does not give the tree the chance to increase its height when deleting one of its nodes. Now, this is a very, very important conception. We have seen in deletion by merging that the height may either increase or it may decrease. Okay. When the height is decreasing, we have absolutely no problem. But when the height is increasing, this is a cause of concern for us. Why it is a cause of concern for us? Because children, you will study in the next semester also more in algorithms that the running time of the basic operations like searching, insertion, deletion in BSTs, they depend on the height, or as in your Tannenbaum they call it depth. It depends on the height of the BST. आपने searching में भी देखा होगा, if this is a BST and I have to search for a particular element, say 25. So I start comparing 25 with the root of the tree. Okay. If 25 is greater than the root, follow the right branch. Then less than this, or greater than this, follow right. Less than this, left. So you see, kahin na kahin we are traversing or we are traveling through the height or the depth of the tree. ठीक है. Worst case में क्या होगा? We have to traverse the entire height of the tree, as I've shown you in this example. And we find the element that is 25 in one of the leaf nodes, or it is not found, right? So we are traversing through the height of the tree. So our running time will also depend on the height of the tree. Longer the height of the tree, longer will be our running time. Similarly, for insertion, for deletion. So the running time of these basic operations on BSTs like searching, insertion, deletion, it depends on the height of the tree. So obviously, we will never like or we will never want that the height of the tree should increase after deletion by merging. So that is why deletion by merging, although it is, it is an okay type algorithm, but it is certainly far from perfect. This is the reason why it is far from perfect. So that is why we look for another algorithm. We look for another algorithm, which does not gives the tree a chance to increase its height after deletion. Either the height should remain the same or it should decrease. And hence we study the next algorithm, which is deletion by copying. So I hope children, deletion by merging, Sara concept and example and algorithm clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, may I proceed with the next one? Any doubts? May I proceed, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is deletion by copying. Now you see the name itself is telling you the meaning. Deletion by copying. तो कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पर हम कुछ find out करके उस element को किसी और जगह पे copy कर रहे होंगे. क्या copy कर सकते हैं? What does comes to your mind instantly? See, when children you are deleting some node in the tree, what happens? A deletion by copying or merging तो तब picture में आता है when the node to be deleted has both children. Now try to imagine in your minds that node to be deleted, when it gets deleted, तो उस जगह पे vacant space बन जाती है ना? और नाम से हमें पता लग रहा है deletion by copying. We copy some other element up to that position which becomes vacant. Okay, so the name is little misleading according to me, because what is copying, what is copy paste in your computer science? It is that the source and the destination both are maintained. But obviously when we are copying some element, then both source and destination will not be maintained. Okay, so this is not copying according to me, that this is cut paste, because the source gets destroyed. I'll show you first with an example and then show you the concept that is written in your textbook. This deletion by merging, they have also shown it with this, and block diagram आपको मैंने पहले भी दिखाया एक ही deletion by merging का. Deletion by merging they have explained more in the textbook, students, and copying they have explained less, but I'll explain you that also in detail. So let me see. Yes, they have shown the block diagram, but example nahi hai. See, look into the block diagram. See, this is the first part, the second part. These are the steps that they have shown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, so students, can you hear me? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you see, in the first step, they have shown you the node which is to be deleted. Okay, so when this node gets deleted, the vacant space will be created here. तो हम कोई element नीचे से कहीं किसी subtree से ऊपर ले जाएंगे. But we cannot select any element just like that according to our choice. We have to select some element and bring it into the space of the node to जो delete होगा, वो element ऐसा होना चाहिए so that कि left subtree जो है उसके सारे elements उस नए element से छोटे हों obviously, और जो राइट सबट्री है उसके सारे एलिमेंट्स उस नए एलिमेंट से बड़े हों, बिकॉज द बीएसटी प्रॉपर्टी हैज टू बी मेंटेन्ड. क्लियर? तो ऐसा कौन सा एलिमेंट है हु इज ए वाइबल कैंडिडेट टू टेक द प्लेस ऑफ द नोड टू बी डिलीटेड? ऑब्वियसली डिलीशन बाय मर्जिंग जो पिछला मेथड था उधर से हमें पता है कि अगर हम लेफ्ट सब ट्री में से सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट ढूंढें, वो ग्रेटेस्ट क्या होगा, वो जो लेफ्ट सब ट्री है, लेफ्ट सब ट्री में वो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट है ना, तो जो बाकी एलिमेंट्स लेफ्ट सब ट्री के बचे वो उससे छोटे होंगे ग्रेटेस्ट से ऑब्वियसली। लेकिन जो राइट सब ट्री है वो तो रूट से भी बड़ा था, तो जो ये ग्रेटेस्ट है उससे भी बड़ा होगा। सो दिस सेम एलिमेंट जो हमने डिलीशन बाय मर्जिंग में सिलेक्ट किया था वही हम दोबारा यहां पर यूज करेंगे, उसको हम ऊपर लेके जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो ये प्रोसीजर मेरे अकॉर्डिंग कॉपिंग नहीं है, इसका करेक्ट नाम कट पेस्ट होना चाहिए। इट इज कटिंग एंड पेस्टिंग। नाउ लुक एट the first step. You see, how do we find out the greatest in the left subtree? क्या मेथड होता है? सबसे पहले एक स्टेप आप लेफ्ट जाइए towards the left subtree. Temp, my pointer temp will point to this node because I have followed one step towards left. Okay. Now look at the B part. Sorry, the second part of the diagram. फिर उसके बाद लेफ्ट जाने के बाद मैं राइट गई। ठीक है, राइट राइट राइट, जब तक मैं मैक्सिमम राइट जा सकती हूँ। सो दिस इज द नोड जो मैक्सिमम राइट पे है, एंड यू सी द टेम्प पॉइंटर इज पॉइंटिंग नाउ टू दिस नोड। और इससे जो एक ऊपर है उसको मेरा एक और पॉइंटर प्रीवियस पॉइंट कर रहा है। ठीक है, प्रीवियस हमने इसलिए मेंटेन करा है क्योंकि टेम्प जिसको पॉइंट कर रहा है वो मेरा लेफ्ट सब ट्री का ग्रेटेस्ट है, उसको तो मुझे ऊपर कट पेस्ट करना है, तो वो तो यहां से अब हट जाएगा जिसको टेम्प पॉइंट करना है। So how do I access the remaining tree? Previous pointer से, okay? Now look at step 3. You see, they have shown you with this dotted arrow children. जो ये dotted arrow mark किया हुआ है ना, they have shown you कि ये जिसको temp point कर रहा है, left subtree में greatest, उसको आपने ऊपर कॉपी कर दिया है। इनफैक्ट ये कॉपी नहीं, ये मेरे अकॉर्डिंग कट पेस्ट है, क्योंकि डेस्टिनेशन जो है आपका सॉरी जो सोर्स है वो रिमूव हो जाएगा। सो यू सी दिस एलिमेंट, दिस नोड गेट्स कॉपीड अबव, क्योंकि ऊपर वाला तो डिलीट हो गया, राइट। नाउ लुक एट द फोर्थ स्टेप। फोर्थ स्टेप में आप देखिए ये वाला जो ट्रायंगल है ये राइट साइड बॉटम से इस शेप का पहले था, अब किस शेप का बन गया है, इस तरीके का, इसका एक कोना कट गया है। You look into the fourth step picture. फोर्थ स्टेप को ध्यान से देखिए, वो कोना जो है कट गया है क्योंकि उस कोने को हम ऊपर ले गए उस नोड को, राइट। प्रीवियस अभी भी उसके ऊपर वाले एलिमेंट को पॉइंट कर रहा है, करेक्ट। नाउ लुक एट द फिफ्थ स्टेप। अब जो छोटा ट्रायंगल था फोर्थ स्टेप में ये वाला, उसका पेरेंट तो भाई ऊपर पहुंच गया, तो अब वो उसका पेरेंट कौन बनेगा, जो प्रीवियस था। लुक एट द फिफ्थ स्टेप पिक्चर चिल्ड्रन, प्रीवियस अभी भी वही है। आप ये देखिए इधर छोटा सा कट है ट्रायंगल में, यस और नो, हियर देयर इज ए कट। सो जो प्रीवियस है, छोटा ट्रायंगल एक स्टेप ऊपर जाके प्रीवियस को अटैच हो जाएगा। सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द समरी ऑफ डिलीशन बाय कॉपिंग, व्हाट हैव वी डन, वी हैव मार्क्ड द लेफ्ट सब ट्री ऑफ द नोड टू बी डिलीटेड। उस लेफ्ट सब ट्री में आई हैव फाउंड आउट द ग्रेटेस्ट। उस ग्रेटेस्ट को मैंने ऊपर भेज दिया, कहां पर, जो नोड डिलीट हुआ था वहां खाली जगह बन गई थी, उसको मैंने ऊपर भेज दिया था। ठीक है, तो मैंने कट पेस्ट कर दिया। अब जब मैंने उसको ऊपर भेज दिया तो उसका जो आगे फर्दर सब ट्री था उसका पेरेंट मिसिंग हो गया, तो उस सब ट्री का पेरेंट कौन बन गया, जो उस जिस नोड को ऊपर भेजा है उससे एक ऊपर वाला नोड, दैट इज जिसको प्रीवियस पॉइंट कर रहा था। आई होप लिटिल बिट ऑफ द कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन चिल्ड्रन, यस और नो? यस स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, deletion by copying children is on the same lines. Its algorithm is on the same lines as deletion by copying. ठीक है, ज्यादातर एल्गोरिदम सेम है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट स्टेप में, फर्स्ट इफ में हम क्या करेंगे, वही इफ नोड एरो राइट इक्वल इक्वल टू नल, मीनिंग इफ द नोड हैज नो राइट चाइल्ड। एल्स इफ में इफ द नोड हैज नो लेफ्ट चाइल्ड। एल्स ब्लॉक जो है इसका मतलब है कि लेफ्ट और राइट चाइल्ड दोनों एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं, जैसा कि उन्होंने कमेंट में लिखा है, द नोड हैज बोथ चिल्ड्रन। बिकॉज डिलीशन बाय कॉपिंग या डिलीशन बाय मर्जिंग चिल्ड्रन पिक्चर में तभी आते हैं व्हेन बोथ द चिल्ड्रन आर एग्जिस्टिंग। ठीक है, अब क्या करेंगे, जिस तरीके से हमने डिलीशन बाय मर्जिंग में लेफ्ट सब ट्री में ग्रेटेस्ट निकाला था, इधर भी वही करेंगे, टेम्प इक्वल टू नोड एरो लेफ्ट, दिस इज सेम, बस इधर प्रीवियस एक मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, फिर एक वाइल लूप मेंटेन करके जो है टेम्प निकाल लेंगे, इधर एडिशनल आपको प्रीवियस को भी मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, प्रीवियस टेम्प से एक कदम पहले चलेगा, एंड देन हियर यू विल जस्ट मैनिपुलेट द पॉइंटर्स टू मूव द ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट इनटू द प्लेस ऑफ द नोड टू बी डिलीटेड, और जो उसका सब ट्री है उसका पॉइंटर करना पड़ेगा। सो दीज आर द ओनली न्यू लाइन्स हियर, दीज 4 लाइन्स। सो यू विल टेक ए स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल एंड ड्राई रन the things on your own. Please do not miss this, children, today. Deletion by merging or copying, दोनों में से एक is sure to come in the exam, let me tell you. All right, so deletion by copying में there is no need to read the entire story, children, as it is given in the textbook. I have explained you the procedure. अगर merging समझ आ गए तो copying भी बहुत easy है। ठीक है, तो they have written here the same story. See, this can be done by replacing the key being deleted, जो key हम delete कर रहे हैं ना, with its immediate predecessor. Immediate predecessor क्या होता है, पहले तो आप ये बताइए predecessor क्या होता है। predecessor means जो पहले आता है, और BST में कौन से nodes होते हैं जो किसी node से पहले आते हैं, जो छोटे होते हैं उससे। कौन से नोड्स छोटे होते हैं किसी भी नोड से, जो लेफ्ट सब ट्री में होते हैं उसके, ये प्रॉपर्टी है ना। अब इमीडिएट प्रेडिसेसर क्या आएगा, इमीडिएट प्रेडिसेसर मतलब उन सब एलिमेंट्स में से जो सबसे बड़ा होगा। फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव ए सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स से 45, ठीक है, 35, 16, 8, 4, -3. If I talk about if my element under consideration is 35, इसके प्रेडिसेसर्स कौन है, प्रेडिसेसर्स मतलब जो इससे छोटे हैं, ये सारे प्रेडिसेसर्स हैं, -3, 4, 8, 16. 45 is not the predecessor of 35, it is the successor. Successor means बाद में, बड़ा, correct? Now out of all these predecessor, which is the immediate predecessor? Immediate predecessor means जो सबसे close है 35 के, 16 is the immediate predecessor. क्लियर? तो इमीडिएट प्रेडिसेसर अगर आप इस एग्जांपल में ध्यान से देखें, इट इज नथिंग बट लेफ्ट सब ट्री ऑफ 35 में सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट। ठीक है, तो उस जो हम एलिमेंट फाइंड आउट करते हैं ना, विच इज द ग्रेटेस्ट एलिमेंट इन द लेफ्ट सब ट्री, उसे इमीडिएट प्रेडिसेसर बोलते हैं। एज आई टोल्ड यू, इसका वाइसा वर्सा भी पॉसिबल होता है, बट आई वुड ऑलवेज एडवाइज कि आप लेफ्ट सब ट्री में ग्रेटेस्ट फाइंड आउट करिए, ना कि राइट सब ट्री में स्मॉलेस्ट। अगर आप राइट सब ट्री में स्मॉलेस्ट लेते हैं, मतलब वाइसा वर्सा करते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली उसे इमीडिएट सक्सेसर बोल देंगे, जैसा कि ब्रैकेट में लिखा है। ठीक है, एज ऑलरेडी इंडिकेटेड इन डिलीशन बाय मर्जिंग, ए कीज प्रेडिसेसर कौन से होते हैं, जो इमीडिएट प्रेडिसेसर होता है, इज द राइट मोस्ट नोड इन द लेफ्ट सब ट्री। और अगर इमीडिएट सक्सेसर की बात करेंगे, इट इज द लेफ्ट मोस्ट नोड इन द राइट सब ट्री। फिर इस प्रेडिसेसर को ढूंढ के दे हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड कि आप जो है एक स्टेप ऊपर लगा देंगे, एंड देन दे हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड द एल्गोरिथम। चिल्ड्रन, रीड इतना करना है जितना रिक्वायर्ड है, खुद की अंडरस्टैंडिंग से समझना है। मेनी ऑफ द थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी। अब डिलीशन बाय कॉपिंग का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट क्या है? विच लेक्चर यू हैव चिल्ड्रन आफ्टर दिस? I think OS?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just take a minute of 2. So the algorithm does not increase the height of the tree, but it still creates a problem if it is applied many times with insertion. Okay? So what is the problem that comes into the picture? Children, this also I'll take up then in the next lecture, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा आपको ये रनिंग टाइम भी बताना है मुझे। ये सब 2-3 पैराग्राफ्स जो हैं शॉर्ट में, ज्यादा नहीं करना है ये। चलिए, तो अभी के लिए हम इतना याद रखेंगे कि डिलीशन बाय कॉपिंग डज नॉट इंक्रीज द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री, but it can cause a problem if it is applied many times along with insertion. ठीक है, so I'll continue with this